Assalamu alaikum guys. This is me, Sarfraz Awan, English language instructor. Today I'm here at the Hunar Foundation Orangutan campus. You can see here the beauty of Hunar Foundation Orangutan campus. It is basically located at Sector 8, Allawala College. Look at the view. Today we are gonna explore about the Hunar Foundation. Let's stay with me. Is our admin office where you basically come first for admissions purpose, and that's the teachers sitting area. You can see. After that, that's our meeting area, and that's the office and the library. Let's get to know more about the Hunar Foundation, and for that my English language students will guide you about all the courses.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Arifan Sari and I'm the student of English language. Today I'm gonna tell you some interesting information about this institute. It is one of the best institutes in Orangutan that is helping the youth of Pakistan. It is started in 2008 and it's aimed to teach the poor and jobless boys and girls through useful skills. The Hunar Foundation trains students so they can get good job in Pakistan or the other countries.
This is Romana from English language class, and here we have something really interesting. They are passed out students from the Hunar Foundation. They are the students who have made their dreams to skills, their passion to profession, and now they are earning.
Hello everyone, this is Manai Alvi and I'm English language student. I am here in Montessori Director's class, and the duration of this course is 6 months, and we mostly work with a 3 to 6 years old child. In Montessori curriculum, all depend on the child interest. In Montessori training, we learn our respect for the child in a sensitive period.
And now this is one of the most beautiful place of Hunar Foundation Orangutan campus. This place we use for assembly and event purpose. Right guys, now we are moving to the English language class. You will be really surprised to see how elegantly it is decorated.
To the left, to the right, come closer. Hey there, this is me, Mariam Rita from language class. The time duration of language class is 6 months, 3 months for basic and 3 months for advanced level. The activities have been designed very interesting and fun-filled. That's why we are enjoying here. The student can enjoy very well. And literally when it was my first day at language class, I was not able to speak a single word in front of the whole class. But the passage of time, I can speak and I can give a speech in front of the class, and I am here in front of you without any hesitation, just because of the language class.
Now we are moving to the graphic designing class. You can see that this is a graphic designing class. A nice view, a beautiful view. The students are here working on their projects. Okay, let's get to know about this course.
Assalamu alaikum, it's me Muqaddas. I am here in a graphic designing class and I'm also a graphic designing student. Where we learn logo making, brochure, poster and so many things, and we will learn so many software, Adobe, Photoshop, Canva and so many online tools. After completing this course you can get easily job as a freelancer, and so many platform like Fiverr, Upwork, etc. And you can also start your own business. It's very beneficial for your future in this modern digital world.
Okay, now we are upstairs. Here we have the digital marketing class. Now I'm going to visit the digital marketing class. Let's explore this class.
Hey there, this is me Sadaf Naz as an English language student. I will guide you about digital marketing course. In this course, students learn how to run your own e-commerce business, content writing, content creation, meta ads, Google ads, influencer marketing, Google basics, LinkedIn marketing, and many more things.
Alright, so here is our first floor view. You can see how beautiful it looks.
Where we learn
Believe me. So now I am moving to dressmaking class and industrialist class. The students are there. Let's get to know about this class.
Hi, this is Miss Seema. I am student of English language class. I'll guide you dressmaking class. In this class, student learned about drafting and cutting, basic stitching, pattern making, garment stitching and body measure.
So now we move to the fashion designing class, the big department. Where you can see that the work of the student, creativity of the students. Let me show you.
Hey there, it's me Kausar, daughter of Noor Muhammad. I am a student from English language class. Then you see this is fashion designing class. Then fashion design duration is 6 months, 5 months learning and 1 month training. Hi there, it's me Muskan Ansari from English language class. I am telling about fashion designing. In fashion designing, students learn paintings, fabric painting, skin paintings, and block paintings, and ribbon work, embroidery, different type of things.
Alright guys, so right now I'm here in the beautician class, beauty level 2. You will be really impressed to see the decorum of this class is so
Hey there, this is Miss Manyata from English language. Right now I'm here in the beauty class. It's basically beauty level 2, and let me tell you about what they learn. The students learn about skin care, hair color, advanced makeup and fashion.
Hey, it's me Asna Khan, an English language student, and right now I'm here beautician class. I guide about beautician customized course. In this course, students learn party makeup, haircut, nail art, manicure, pedicure, and eyebrow products.
Alright, so now here is our parking area where the students and the teachers, they park their bikes and cars.
Guys, this is me Bismar Khan. Orangi Town campus has this clipper, and when the teachers go any session, any purpose, so they will go this clippers.
Alright, so guys, we are here. Now I am moving to the canteen area. Here is our canteen area. To have their meals. Yes.
Hi guys, this is me Laiba Root from English language. Let me show you canteen area. Here this is our canteen area. This is very clean. Shelter is also available, and there is here student sit properly and meal and enjoy.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, आई एम बतुल नसीर, वाइस प्रिंसिपल औरंगी कैंपस द हुनर फाउंडेशन। और मैं सब स्टूडेंट्स को कहूँगी कि हमारे पास डिफरेंट ट्रेड में एडमिशन ओपन है। आप प्लीज़ कैंपस विजिट करें और अपने करियर कंसल्टेंट करें कि आप किस ट्रेड में एडमिशन ले सकते हैं। हमारे पास करियर काउंसलिंग के लिए स्पेशल पर्सन्स अलाइन हैं जो आपको गाइड करेंगे कि आप किस चीज़ में एडमिशन लेके अपने आप को करियर में ज़्यादा डेवलप कर सकते हैं। तो प्लीज़ कम एंड जॉइन अस। और हमारी जो क्लासेस हैं इंशाल्लाह ताला वो स्टार्ट है 15 जुलाई से। थैंक यू।
Now finally, we're gonna end up this beautiful vlog with the last activity. The student will describe their journey at Hunar Foundation in one word.
Innovative, brilliance, exposure,
Fearless,
trust,
supportive, inspiring,
talent,
independent, dynamic.
supportive.
With Hunar Foundation,